Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, shooting this with a track camera. I had it handy, so I'm using this one. Anyway, this is that motor that I just got running. I dropped it in this old 490 shell. Now this 90 shell is beat up, but as you see, at least it's a shell for that motor. And still don't have enough screws, so got the motor mounted with wire ties for now. 10 cars on the outside rail. These are Lionel, of course. First trip around the rail. Let's see how this goes. So working headlight. So as you see, that is running just absolutely perfectly. Made completely out of junk. Running this on DC right now. That's 7.2 volts. So we'll go around one more time. I'll change over and run it on AC. Alright, we'll bring it around and stop it right there. Alright, I'll pull this lock-on off of here. Hard to do this with one hand. Alright, pull the lock-on off, and we'll run it on the AC transformer now. As you see, still runs perfectly. Nice and smooth. Not as smooth as on DC, but this motor runs really well. So a 490 built completely out of junk parts. So just keeping myself busy, but this motor was just absolutely trash when I got it. But as you see, a little bit of work and it's up and running. Why somebody would do that to a motor, I have absolutely no idea. That was just straight abuse. They had tried to even it out with a screwdriver and just tore that motor to pieces. Contactor was broken off, missing. So got the side plate straightened out, had that E-unit cage or shell, so mounted that since it had the headlight socket on it, and it gives me another locomotive that is up and running, working headlight and running perfectly. As you see, this was pulling 10 cars with no problem at all. So just a quick video running on DC and AC. So, far from perfect, but it was basically free, and it's a new locomotive. I can always drop it into another shell. But for now, at least it's a place to keep that motor, and it gives me another running locomotive. So, as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benztrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.